Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Color Vistas brand. Today, we're diving into a fantastic crafting session where we'll learn how to make stunning sublimation ornaments. These ornaments are not only beautiful, but also a great way to personalize gifts or decorations. Before we get started, you can visit my website from the link in the description below, or search my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Get ready to transform simple materials into vibrant works of art. Let's start by gathering our materials. You'll need a few key items to begin. Sublimation printer. Essential for printing your designs with clarity. We recommend using a dedicated sublimation printer like the Sawgrass SG500 for its precision in color reproduction. Sublimation. Ink and paper. These ensure that your designs transfer cleanly and with vibrant colors onto your ornaments. Heat press. Critical for applying the necessary heat to transfer the ink from your paper onto the ornament material. Ornament blanks. You can choose from a variety of materials such as ceramic, metal, or acrylic. Each offers a unique finish and look. Protective gear, including heat-resistant gloves and non-stick sheets to protect both your hands and the ornaments. Now, let's walk through the process of making your sublimation ornaments. Now for design creation. Start by designing your artwork. Use graphic software like Adobe Illustrator or free tools like Canva to create designs that reflect the festive spirit or personal memories. Print your design. Once your design is ready, print it using your sublimation printer. Ensure that your design is mirrored so it transfers correctly onto the ornament. Prepare the ornament. Clean the surface of your ornament blank to remove any dust or oils which might interfere with the ink transfer. Sublimation process. Secure the printed design onto the ornament with heat-resistant tape. Then place it in your heat press. Depending on the material of your ornament, press the design at around 400 degrees Celsius for about 60 seconds. Cooling down. After pressing, allow the ornament to cool before removing the paper. This step is crucial as it ensures that the design sets properly. To enhance your ornaments further, consider these tips. Layering designs. You can layer different designs for a more dynamic effect. Mixing media. Combine sublimation with other techniques like painting or decoupage for a unique look. Custom shapes. Don't limit yourself to traditional round ornaments. Explore different shapes and sizes to expand your creative offerings. Common challenges and solutions. Sublimation can sometimes be tricky, but here are quick fixes for common issues. Color issues. If colors aren't transferring vividly, check your printer settings and the quality of your sublimation ink. Image clarity. Blurry images can result from the paper moving during the transfer. Make sure it's securely taped. Heat press problems. Uneven heat can cause poor image transfer. Ensure your heat press is in good working condition. Creating sublimation ornaments is an enjoyable way to express creativity and make personalized gifts. Each piece you create can be tailored to individual tastes, making them perfect for any occasion. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative projects. You can visit my website from the link in the description below, or search my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Share your creations and any questions in the comments below. I love seeing what you all come up with. Until next time, keep crafting and spread joy with your unique decorations.